Hi friends, let's build your first MongoDB model. In this video, we will create first model of Mongoose and we will build connection between your web page or MongoDB. So let's start. We will make first a JS file app.js, and after creating this, when we go to your Mongoose website and search here Mongoose, and here you can see Mongo documentation. Let me open. Here you can see Mongoose documentation, how to use. Here you can see we will require your Mongoose and build connection. So we will copy this code and paste over app.js. Basically, test is the database name. If you want to create, if you open your MongoDB compass, wait few minutes. Here you can see your connection. So go to your VS Code and write here which you want to write your database name. So I will give database name technical and run this code. So open your terminal and write here nodemoon app.js, nodemoon app.js. Here you can see we have an error because we have not installed Mongoose version. So open your terminal again and write here npm i mongoose and wait for installing. We are using your or requiring mongoose without installing, so we need to first install mongoose, and now we will run this app.js file app.js. Here you can see your code running. It means your connection built. Here you want to check, then right here, then console.log connection build. Here you can see your connection build, and now we have to work to create your model and insert data to the model. So for creating your model schema, so we need to this let user schema is equal to new mongoose dot schema, and in this schema basically we will provide the structure of your database. So your first username and its type string, and second we will take email and its type email string. So basically we will take two information, your username or email. So basically we have created your schema, and now we will make a model. So const model const person is equal to mongoose dot model, and in this parameter we will give as it is name this name person, and in the second parameter we will provide this schema, the user schema, and again we will run this code. And we will check your MongoDBs, and first of all refresh your page and connect to your MongoDBs. Here you can see your database has been created, technical your connection, and this is your people database or table. This is your database name and this is your table name people. So last work to insert the data. So access this person file, person dot insert many. In this parameter we will provide array of a object. Here your username, technical, and second one is your email, technical @gmail.com, and in the second object username, user, and email is email@gmail.com, and again we will run this code. Here you can see connection build, and go to your MongoDB compass and go to this people, and here you can see your data created, technical@gmail.com, and here your user email@gmail.com. It means it's working. So we have completed to connect build connection to MongoDB campus to your web page, and we have created successfully your first model in your MongoDB campus. So thank you for watching this video.